Hello and welcome back. This is week 19 up now to the house build. So let's go and have a look around, see what progress we've got from last week. Starting in the master bedroom, they've now put the additional power outlets in. That's good. Walking through into the walk-in closet, we now have a power outlet in here. So there'll be a vanity unit at the end here with the storage cupboards down each side. So that will just be maybe hair dryers or one of these newfangled illuminated mirrors maybe driven off there. Bathroom, nothing's changed in the excuse me, in the bathroom here. Let's just see if we can maybe zoom out a bit. So yeah, master CR is plug socket in here. Yeah, bit yeah, in the UK we'd never get away with a plug socket in the bathroom. Yeah, that's master bath, master bed, closet. We'll come through into the lounge. They have started rendering in here, so most of the walls are done in here now. All the sockets are in, including the sockets for the kitchen, the additional sockets that we asked for. And during this week the rendering here will be finished. And then into bedroom 3, back right corner of the house. Little bit of pre-render gone on here, and apart from that, not a lot changed from last week. But I have been concentrating on mainly electrics and roof. Now, beginning of the week, the roofing sheets were supposed to be delivered on Monday or Tuesday. However, they're coming from Cebu and we're not expecting them until the end of this week. Today's a Monday the 16th of October. Sorry, correction, Monday the 17th of October. Additional sockets I asked for in the office have been installed. Bit of a curvy bit of conduit there, but it'll do the job. Never going to see that when it's on. And bedroom 4, nothing has changed here. Yeah, that's the original. Septic tank lid has now been cast. So I just need to make the remove the shuttering and make the lids for the manholes. So that's virtually finished, and there's no change on the cistern at the moment. That's just as it was last week. some steep steps down here. I do know that access further up, if you wanted to walk down the rocks, is easier. Okay, let's do this. A lot easier coming back than it didn't seem so far.